She looks 15 years younger thanks to this Thailand home remedy. For a long time man has sought the source of eternal youth, although he has not yet achieved it. There are methods that can delay the fact of getting old. There is a nutritional supplement that can help you stay young and alive, with a long list of benefits to the body that helps improve our body. And to strengthen and resist infections, is the oat bran, a very useful chemical compound. Our body is able to maintain levels of uric acid that causes the calcification of our joints. By consuming the oat bran on a regular basis, it is possible to expel this excessive acid. And we will teach you how to prepare it the right way then. One of the advantages of this solution is that it is not poisonous. You will only need oat bran and water. The first thing to do is take a liter of water and let it boil in a saucepan. When it starts to boil, let it cool to room temperature. Once the water is cooled to room temperature, add 40 grams of oat bran. How to consume? You should consume 1 or 2 glasses each day. The first must be fasting in the morning. Advantages of oat bran: it works as an excellent blood purifier. It helps to eliminate the acid that builds up in the kidneys. It is ideal for athletes or people with a high physical performance, as it helps to prevent and fight against muscle injuries, cramps, fatigue and/or muscle fatigue. It stimulates the good functioning of your cardiovascular system. Helps reduce bad cholesterol levels. It is a powerful anti-stress remedy that helps you fight depression, illness and fatigue.